Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way how to add a list of people onto Microsoft Teams instead of adding one by one. I first want to download the refined Microsoft team, and in order to do that I would have to go to the Chrome Web Store. Once I go to the Chrome Web Store, in my search up here in the search the store, I would do refined Microsoft Teams, and I will add to Chrome. Once I add to Chrome, it's going to pop these up. It's going to tell you it's an extension and you're going to allow it. Once it's up here, it tells you that this is list. These are all the things that I have installed onto Chrome, my Chrome. Once you're done with that, I will have to go to my list of people, and it looks like this. It's a list of email. When you're listing a group of email, you have to separate it by a semicolon. In order to do that, this is the easiest way to separate it by. I will list cell B1 and cell B1, and I know that I'm gonna, after every single email, it's gonna have a semicolon. So if you take a look at it, this one doesn't have a semicolon and this one does now. However, if let's say you have a list up to 1,000 emails, in order to add the semicolon, you don't have to do every single cell. If you go down here, if you notice my cursor, I pull it down and I just highlight it down to cell B5, and every single one of these have a semicolon. I'm going to copy this section of the emails that have the semicolon. And then what I'm going to do is, instead of going to Microsoft Teams, the app on your desktop, it doesn't allow you to add the bulk on this one. However, you could go onto the internet, Microsoft Teams. Once you get there, you're going to, these are all my teams. I'm going to go into my test team. This is a test that I use all the time. I'm going to manage my team, add my members. If you notice, let me say bulk import. I'm going to Control V, which is I'm pasting the one with the semicolon from the Excel. I'm going to bulk import this. It's inviting all these guests, which means that it's going to email these guests that I have added them on into this Microsoft team. If you notice, my members and guests are all the emails I have entered. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.